Hello dear students. In this lecture we are going to see the concept of recovery system. In real time scenario in any software, database is very important thing in software development because all the data or all the required information is stored in the database. But what if that database is corrupted, or what if the device where that database is stored is corrupted? That all things we are going to discuss in recovery system. So a computer system, which is like any other device, when subjected to failure, this failure may cause due to variety of reasons like disk crash, power outage, software error, a fire in the machine room, or even sabotage. So in any of these cases, the information stored in these devices get lost. So in any failure, information may be lost. Therefore, the database system must take the actions in advance to ensure that the atomicity and durability property of the transactions are preserved so that all the data in the database is safe inside the database. An integral part of database system is a recovery scheme that can restore the database to the consistent state and existed before the failure. The recovery system must also support high availability, that is, the database should be usable for a high percentage of time. Whenever you want to take or whenever there is a strong system or robust system, the recovery scheme of the database also support high availability, that is, the database should be usable for very high percentage of time. At the maximum time of the database or the information stored in different servers are safe in the database. So to support high availability in the face of machine failure, as also planned machine shutdowns for hardware or software upgrades and maintenance, the recovery scheme must support the ability to keep a backup copy of database synchronized with the current contents of primary copy of the database. That means if the system wants to face the failure, we must have to maintain the backup copy of the database. That means this entire database has to be copied in timely manner, or periodically we have to take the backup of these database so that it can be stored at some place, and if in any case there is a failure, we can recover the data from that place. And if the machine with a primary copy fails, the transaction processing can continue on the backup copy. That means if in any case or any case of failures that we have discussed, if the transaction fails, or if the primary copy fails, that means if the primary copy of database get corrupted or it lost, then the transaction processing can continue with the backup copy which is taken as a backup at some another place in the system. So this is all about the recovery system. Thanks for listening.